You ever hear about the retired couple from Scottsdale, Arizona, who shifted $547,200 of their 401k into a gold IRA and now sleep like babies while the rest of the country watches markets go haywire? Hang tight, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why they did it, how it's protecting their legacy, and how you can take the first step in less than 30 seconds, all without pressure, gimmicks, or confusing sales talk. But first, let's talk about what's happening right now. Today's economic headlines aren't just noise, they're alarm bells. Inflation's cooled from its peak, but core costs, especially for food, housing, and healthcare, are still climbing. Fitch Ratings just issued fresh warnings about U.S. credit downgrades, and with the Fed signaling more rate cuts this year, the dollar's purchasing power continues to shrink. Meanwhile, gold, quietly outperforming. It's already up over 11% this year alone, and we're not even halfway through. That's not hype. That's protection in real time. Which brings us back to Thomas and Linda Morales. Thomas worked in logistics management. Linda was a public school teacher for 32 years. They did everything right. 401k, IRA, modest real estate. But earlier this year, they saw their traditional retirement portfolio drop over $83,000 in a matter of weeks due to market swings. That's when they took action. After hearing about gold IRAs, they didn't jump in blind. They requested a free gold IRA guide from the same place we're offering at the end of this video. They got a quick, no-pressure call from a real retirement specialist. No pushy sales stuff, just education. They learned how rolling over part of their existing retirement account into physical gold could hedge against inflation, avoid stock market volatility, and offer true diversification, not just paper-on-paper risk. Thomas said something powerful. I realized I wasn't investing anymore. I was gambling. They rolled over $547,200, just a portion of their combined IRA and 401k, into a gold IRA. Today, their retirement portfolio is more balanced, more secure, and better positioned to protect their wealth, regardless of what happens in the next election cycle, or how Wall Street reacts to the next unexpected event. Now, maybe you're thinking, sounds smart, but is it right for me? Here's what you should know. If you're an American retiree with $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, you owe it to yourself to understand how gold IRAs work. Not to speculate, not to chase gold, but to preserve what you've worked your whole life to build. Because a smart gold IRA allocation isn't about fear. It's about freedom. It's about not having to check the market every morning with your heart in your throat. It's about knowing your money is backed by something real, tangible, and time-tested. And yes, it's about passing on a legacy your kids or grandkids won't have to untangle. So if you want to take the first step like Thomas and Linda did, it's simple. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call. No pressure, no gimmicks, no free silver if you buy today nonsense. Just one-on-one help so you can decide for yourself. The economy's changing, but the decision to protect your retirement, that's timeless. Click the link, secure the guide, and safeguard your legacy before the next headline makes you wish you had. You worked too hard to build this life. Now let's help you protect it.